Here's my scene for next year. Today we're gonna do a cooking on the show episode where we're gonna create, as you can see, the kitchen. So you would have understood by the thumbnail and the title and the background that we're gonna do a cooking with Nijfue, and you saw what we're gonna make. We're gonna make chocolate milkshake. So for that, we need something that is the most important, and I know you didn't know this. We need milk, and we need chocolate. Chocolate milkshake. Hey, no, this is not how we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it the professional way. And yesterday, like this video is being pre-recorded, so yesterday was Sunday for me. Yesterday was actually 13th of March 2022, and today's 14th of March when I'm filming this. So I went to Kevin's yesterday, and my Oreo milkshake, and I ordered an Oreo milkshake, and it literally tastes the same as the Oreo milkshake that I made. So you can actually do this. So you can make the recipe that I told you guys, and you can order Kevin's Oreo milkshake and see for yourself how good my milkshake is compared to that Kevin's. So you can do it blindfolded because obviously, so yeah. So we're gonna create a chocolate milkshake, and next time I'm gonna go to Kevin's. I'm gonna order a chocolate milkshake to compare my chocolate milkshake to theirs. That was a lot to talk about, but so let's talk about it with the ingredients. The main ingredients is milk, chocolate. We need ice. So I've unfrozen the ice, and there's water in this. Right. So yeah, we need chocolate strings, or you can put chocolate chips as well. We need a chocolate. So I've got Cadbury Shorts, 5-star, top, and gems. Then we need dark fantasy. Then we need chocolate biscuits. I chose this. This is the dark fantasy crunchy chocolate cookies. We need a container like this to mix our things. And give me a second. So I'm actually going to drain the water from here for the ice to pretty much melting. So first of all, and we need milk and chocolate first. Alright, so first of all, we want to pour our milk into the jar, and to put the milkshake in, I'm going to use the same as I used last time, this mug. This is one of my favorite milkshake mugs. So yeah, we're going to pour the milk in the container. Alright. Yeah. And my mom does not drink milkshakes that much, but she enjoyed the milkshake last time. Then we need chocolate sauce. Loads of it. Loads of it. Like, just dump it in there. Oh, this is thick. This is a thick boy. Yo. Righty. Oh, this is good. And one ingredient that I forgot to talk about, or I must have spoken about, I don't remember, is vanilla ice cream. We have so much of chocolate going on that we need a balance, but too much chocolate, so hold on. So we're going to use vanilla ice cream. I'm using the Scoops vanilla no sugar because we already have lots of sugar, so I went for low sugar ice cream, or sugar-free ice cream basically. So now we're going to put our icing. Ice, of course, not sugar. That was a thing. That was like, bro, that is... Okay, we got it in. This is what it looks like. And this is how it colored. Now we're gonna dump in our chocolate. So you just don't need to cut it or do anything. You just need to, do this, and dump it in there. I don't know how this will taste because I'm doing a mix of chocolates. Oops, that's bad one. It did, but yeah. So whatever is done, you might want to put on the side. Sorry. We're actually going to use one puff today. There's because one puff has like screw biscuits in it. So one and two. We use 2 perks. We're gonna put some shorts. Like, I mean, this is one of the best candy out there. I'm the best at it. I need to eat them because I love these. Just good. Okay. Now put it in. Then you put the gems in. Gems, elements, whatever you have there, I don't know how available. Alright. So we'll blend it twice or thrice. but I'm sure we're gonna blend it twice. So. Alright, that was my exhaust. Alright, let's blend it. But in the second blend, we're gonna put the ice cream and the biscuit. So. It's cool. Alright. Ooh, this looks good. But it has to heat for some reason. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it with the lighting. But now we're gonna dump in our biscuits. So we're gonna dump in that. Alright, we're gonna dump in this. You can use any biscuits, but I went for this because these are chocolate cookies. And these are pretty good, so you gotta have a bite. What? No. So, if you guys are wondering why I use vanilla ice cream all the time, this is because to balance it out. So, the whole thing like going. So this is completely empty, and this ice cream just just is in. So now we're gonna close it up and blend it for the second time. See how it blends, and when we blend it, if we need to blend for the third time. Always keep a sponge near you because last time our accidents happened. So. Alright. Blend number 2. I hope nothing goes wrong. I'm pretty nervous because last time that blend was heavy. So I actually put a sponge on it because the blender was kind of leaking the cap was not leaking. So I put the sponge and stayed both. So yeah. It's not dirty, but I just used too many times today. Alright, I think we need a third blend for that because I don't think everything crushed in. So, alright, wow, that opened. So this just came out, and alright, now everything is gone and the ice is still there, but we're gonna taste it. So there's something came out. I think we need a bit sugar. Yeah, I'm sorry that I'm not a fan, but yeah. We don't need sugar, so we're gonna I have powdered sugar, but it's outside, and I don't want to use this. As I said, I'll do this whole video in one shot. So Now put 3 scoops of sugar in. 1, 2. It has become a chocolate thick shake, by the way. 3 scoops of sugar. Then from 3. Let's do it. So it is pretty messy around here, so we are going to put the sponge over it just for safety. Alright, let's put the top. Okay, before we do that, the blender is pretty dirty, so clean that. Alrighty, let's put it in. 3. That overfilled, and that's why I had to close it. That's why I had to stop the blending process. Let's taste how it is. You know what? We got this empty thing, we're gonna put it in this. Yeah. And we're gonna taste some of it. I don't know why it tastes like coffee, but it does. So we're gonna clean the edges. We're gonna scrape out the edges and right, pretty much everything's falling. I'm gonna put this back in. Blend number. You know, I think we're good. We don't need to blend it anymore. Now, we'll turn my pan on. Yeah, that's the problem with Wi-Fi. Wow, pretty bad. So as you can see, it has become a thick shake. Now we're gonna pour it in our glass. So before we do that, the rule is decorate a glass that you can post it on social media. Yes. So I'm gonna decorate it. The outside is also even at the outside. Oops, it's fell. Yes. How's this for design? You guys will be shocked when you see this. How's this for design? Looks good, right? Now I'm pretty messy, so we are basically gonna just pour it in. Before we do that, anything excess that falls off is gonna be put in this container so that we can use it next week. A lot of water fell, so it was not empty, but yeah. So we are gonna use this. This is how it looks, guys. Check it out. Now we're gonna put this in again. We're gonna give it a solid mix because, you know, we need to mix it. Okay. You know, we always do. We mix our milkshakes. This is good. This is good. This looks nice. Let's taste it again. Too sweet, but I like sweet a lot. Pretty good. So we put this in one take and we're 14 minutes and about 40 seconds into the video. So if you guys enjoyed this down below, my goal was to finish this in one take, so in one shot. So yeah, see you guys next time. Stay tuned to coronavirus and yeah, stay safe, stay safe, and stay blessed. Stay there. I forgot my outro. Failed my one shot, one take, and the reason why I failed it is because we never use these and we're gonna use them. So cut it open. And now, I don't hold my scissors like this, I just gotta bring this up. Alright. Right, and then you take the glass again. You just sprinkle a bunch. Try and put it on the straw again. And now you mix it in the cup only. And, yeah, that's it. One shot, one take is failed, and this is after the audience. See you later.